Hello, we are back. The whole family is here because we're going to Boysenberry Festival 2025. There's a little bit of traffic because it is spring break. Yeah. Boysenberry Festival is celebrating 10 years, you guys. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be action-packed. There's going to be a lot of purple and boysenberry flavored food and merchandise and everything. And we can't wait to take you guys with us here in Super Cali Land.
Can't wait to see your purple stained smiles.
All right, we're here, baby. Let's go eat some boysenberry everything. And look at this. The underground tunnel is open. And it's a shortcut under Beach Boulevard and to the parking lot behind Soak City.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And we're here, but look at how crowded it is. Oh, they're like, it's full. It's a weekend, second weekend of Boysenberry Festival. Let's go. Our first stop is Gold Trails Hotel because inside of here we can get our lanyards for the Boysenberry Festival. They're $55 a piece and you can get up to 6 either drink or food tasting items. So many items to choose from and a map. We're gonna start our food adventure over in the Wilderness Dance Hall today. There is a lot happening in here. Not only are there so many food items to choose from, there's also in the center here, you can do a flight of beers and you can also get beers. I believe you could get beer by the glass. Another spot that you can get a drink a la carte or with your lanyard is right outside at the Wilderness Patio Bar. We're gonna start inside to get a food item. You do have to go in line over to the right here when you first come in to get a receipt for your food item, and then you go stand at that booth location. Today we're gonna start with the creamy boysenberry grits with Cajun shrimp. That looks good. He brought it for me because the line's so long. Hi, baby. Yay, boysenberry. Right. That's delicious. I think it's like tart, it's not too sweet. And the Cajun shrimp is delicious. And that's really good. And look what we found. There is a whole boysenberry in these grits, and it's mine. I claimed it. That's amazing.
You deserve it. Go ahead.
Yummy.
I'm hunting for more now.
Also, just as far as the drinks go, if you're doing a beer tasting, the glass is slightly smaller. So if you want to just pay for your beers a la carte, you do get a pint-sized glass. There's something about walking around the park, sipping a beer, a boysenberry beer, and just having a really fun time off your screens. This is exactly how I want to spend my day. Jesse wants to look at the barbecue beef tips. He's taking a peek. Yummy! Okay, maybe we did more than take a peek. This one was so good, we literally licked the plate. I don't know if we liked that. While we were enjoying the beef tips, my friend Jill picked up a couple of the boysenberry butter elote, the corn on the cob at the Chow House booth for the kids. This booth is actually completely gluten-free, just for all of our gluten-free and celiac friends. If you want a complete gluten-free guide to Boysenberry Festival, please find us on Instagram at Super Cali Land and let me know in the comments to my Boysenberry post, and I will send you a gluten-free food guide for this festival. We've made it over to the Wilderness Broiler and they have birria. It's actually the only place with the birria, so they have the birria sliders and the birria fries, and we're gonna definitely just have to wait in this line and get that because it's gonna be good. While Jesse and I anticipate the yummy birria, the kids got some flaming hot Cheetos, which are completely gluten-free, and I got them a year-long drink cup so they can get refills on any drinks they want for the year. Were you drinking your consomme?
I was.
Yummy. No, you eat it. Mine's really good too. Okay, fine.
Dip it in here.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing something.
Oh.
Bring it back.
Okay. That is good. Thank you.
What time is it?
It's so soft. It's so moist.
What time is it?
There's a reason this line is so big, you guys, because the fries are delicious too. It's like so yummy, and it's actually really big. It's like a full meal item, these fries. Dad, I want a little more. Okay, here, I saved you a little bit.
Wet sand.
During the Boysenberry Festival, so much is going on at Knott's Berry Farm, not just the food and drink. In addition to returning favorite Knott's Preserved, new to the festival this year is Boys and Bears Pie Kitchen Games, and one of the games is a pie eating contest just for kids, which is super fun. Also new to the festival is the Great Bank Robbery, now through May 18th. What do we have here, Jesse?
Boysenberry beer.
Garage something ube hazy IPA.
Ooh, sounds fancy. It's got like a really floral.
It smells like punch.
Doesn't it smell? Yeah, it's like punch. It's a punch. It's a really good. You want to say
What is
something?
the show?
A lock-in
No,
chat.
wait, straight
I don't even know what he's saying anymore. It's like lock-in chat. Lock-in chat. Walk-in chat. Oh, straight line. Okay, get focused. We're going in. If you want to see this show, you want to arrive at the Birdcage Theater 30 minutes to an hour before showtime because it does fill up and you can't save seats for your friends. So everyone has to be there when they open the doors. They open the doors about 15 minutes before the show, and it's so much fun for the whole family.
Pretty. But hold on to your belongings, folks, because here comes Bounce County!
At the beginning of the show, they were singing, "This land is your land, this land is my land." And the girl with the purple dress, she pointed at me and looked at me and went, "This land is your land, this land is my land."
I love that. What a fun moment. And then, of course, we convinced Jesse to sign up for the Boysenberry Pie Eating Contest. On select days, you sign up at 4 o'clock, and then at 4:30, they draw just a few names. There were so many people signing up, you guys, so we really didn't think Jesse would get called, so I was totally caught off guard when the first name called was his.
What, Jesse?
Wonderful. Hello there. So can you go ahead and tell everyone what your name is and where you're from?
My name is Jesse from Palm Springs.
Jesse from Palm Springs! Let's hear it for everyone. Oh, hello there. Wonderful. Bring out the pies. Bring out the pies. Okay. Ready? We're going to count them down. And 3, 2, 1. Go, Jesse! Oh, we have a problem. Oh. Are you guys ready to see how we did? Yeah! So I need all 4 of you to please lift up your chins. Okay, so I'm gonna go, and I need you to help me back here. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna go down the line, okay? And I need you to cheer for who you think it is, all right? Let's start here, ready? All right, here we go. Number 3. Number 4. All right, and they're gonna tell me back there because they're actually measuring it for me. Who is it back there? Who is it? Tell me. Tell me who's the winner. Who's the winner? They told me they did it. All right, and you're our winner. Come on over here. All right. Listen, and let's hear for our winner. Perfect. Please. Yes, let's hear for all of our contestants, everybody. Wonderful. Congratulations.
Something really special is happening. We're gonna have to run over to memory lane because the authors of this new book, which is the history of Berry Tales the Ride, they're here today and they're signing the book. So hopefully we can make that happen. I brought my copy. And if you missed this event but you really want to meet the authors and get a copy of the book signed, they will be back on May 4th. So that's a Sunday, and I believe it's gonna be 12 to 2. Hey, Declan.
Too full right now. Tummy hurt, you know. That's how full I am. I'm so full, my tummy's hurting. See, it says it on here. But it's all right because I'm a tummy troubleshooter. Is your tummy hurting?
I am full. I am like comfortably full.
Yeah.
But I still have to do my dessert, so. So yummy. It's dessert time. And we're gonna see if they have any of the gluten-free cookies for Raleigh. They make gluten-friendly cookies, but they're not completely gluten-free because there is a lot of gluten in the Ghost Town Bakery. But if you want a gluten-free treat that's safe for celiac, the hot cocoa is completely gluten-free.
This is the best sugar cookie I've ever had in my life.
Wow.
Definitely.
That's impressive.
I love sugar cookies.
That's impressive. Raleigh got her icy. She's happy. It's gluten-free. She got boysenberry and blue raspberry. Yummy. Am I in selfie mode? No.
Oh, why are you recording me like that?
It's like real, you know, the end of the night.
I ate way too much. Like this time I'm for real. Like I had way too much.
Your tummy actually hurts?
Before I was just like, oh, my stomach's kind of hurting, but like now, like,
okay.
really bad now.
Oh, this is a really pretty photo op right here, everyone. So pretty, but we're too tired. Okay, here we go. That's so rad. Final favorite moments
Every kid here
of
looks
this
like the Riddler.
epic Boysenberry Day.
My favorite moment was clearing the boysenberry pie out of my nose.
Fair. Declan?
My favorite moment was talking to the people.
Yeah.
Very cool, very nice people.
Aww.
Here at Knott's Berry Farm.
How about you?
I have two.
Okay.
One is watching Daddy like dig out that whole pie. Well, not all of it, but the second was going on the log ride. That's Raleigh.
That sounds like her. It is.
Raleigh!
Yay.
That's
and she got so wet. Oh, Raleigh. Now you know why there was no line. Okay, I'll get a photo. Was that your other favorite? My favorite thing is like just being able to like get a drink and stroll around the park.
Oh yeah,
'Cause
not
it's just
sponsored. And get your shirt from coolshirts.com with a Z.
Yeah,
So-
he loves his shirt. He got it for Christmas.
I mean,
from
but
Gaga.
actually, no. Cool.shirts.
Okay.
Cool.shirts, and that's shirts.
This
instead of
is an
S at the end of the
unplanned-
shirts with a Z. See, look,
Not
fire
sponsored.
Shirt, fire shirt.
Okay,
I'm
all
a
right, you're
Tummy Trouble
interrupting.
Trooper.
You are definitely the tummy trouble trooper. And today we had some tummy trouble because we ate so much, but it's so yummy. I have to say the food was really good this year, don't you think, Jesse? We
was great.
we like barely scratched the surface. My favorite is for sure the birria.
Please give us a sponsor.
That consomme was so good. No
Is
screens,
the haircut live
just
gonna be on my
chill with friends and
channel? Is the
family.
haircut live gonna be on my channel?
Okay, Declan,
Haircut live coming up on my channel.
hidden sushi
I'm gonna
skates.
get fluffy.
How many more plugs are you gonna get in here, Declan?
All
All right, you guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in Super Cali Land. Bye.
Use code Mr. G Get Schooled.
He's just
with a
making
K
stuff up now.
No, I'm not making it up. In the Fortnite gift shop creator code, so that's MRGGETSKOOLED. Mr. G Get Schooled
For
in the
what?
Fortnite item shop creator code.
Why?
That's my teacher.
Oh.
It's his Fortnite creator code.
All right.
Use that in the Fortnite item shop.
Okay. All right. Thanks, you guys, for watching. Bye.